You want a piece of chocolate?
Okay, all right, you're gonna have to sit still.
This is my life. This is hashtag boy mom right here.
Being a mom is life-changing.
But they're not all beautiful moments. Let's just be real.
I've been a mom for 25 long years.
I think some of the struggles, how much time do you have?
What I struggle with the most is sleep, always.
When I was 35, I was diagnosed with premature ovarian failure.
I did sadly have 2 miscarriages back to back.
The biggest learning for me as a mom is learning patience.
Not be worrying about what's coming next, what tomorrow holds.
Because things don't always go according to plan. We're obviously in uncharted territories right now, given this pandemic that's happening across the world.
Being a mom during the shelter in place has definitely been challenging.
It's forced us all to live a completely different speed.
I'm a full-time Sephora worker, and in addition, I'm a full-time kindergarten teacher and a full-time mom.
A behavioral therapist, a speech therapist, and it never really stops, to be honest.
I love my mom because she's beautiful and smart, and she lets us watch a lot of TV.
It's kind of turned into this beautiful thing in the midst of everything terrible happening, where we're getting all this time together as a family that we never anticipated to have.
You love that mommy paints with you?
Yeah.
It's been so wonderful. It makes me choke up a little bit.
What comes to mind is gratitude for the company that I work for and for the leaders that I have.
I worked in store as a beauty advisor while I was pregnant. And right when I got back after maternity leave, they even set up a mother's room for me.
So one of the benefits of working at Sephora is that they offer IVF and adoption plans. And so we were lucky enough to be able to utilize that fund to get pregnant.
Mom is my favorite. I love you.
What I would like to tell moms is that nobody could do a better job than you can. You are meant for that baby.
Be gentle on yourself.
Do not give up.
Enjoy the bad days as much as you enjoy the good days, because all of the moments are ours for the taking.